Hello friends, today I'm going to be making a video on this plant. I got this plant 1 year ago from a nursery and it was sold to me as a cardamom plant. As you can see, it has fruits on it as well. A couple of months ago there were some white flowers sprouting all over it. It has now turned into these fruits that you can see clearly. It was a very small plant first. When I got it, it was falling off, so I had to put on this support so that it may not fall off. Now you can see it has become quite a healthy grown plant, and I have added some fertilizer just to make sure that it is nurtured well, and it is blooming quite well and is producing a lot of fruits as well, as you can see. Let me show you this from let me give you a close-up of this fruit and let me show you what it looks like from inside. As you can see, it has seeds quite similar to that of the green cardamom. This green cardamom in the subcontinent, it's called as elaichi, and it is used in as a spice and to increase the aroma of the food, and it adds up to the flavor of the food. Let me tell you that I have also been using its leaves in green tea. In preparing green tea, it has a great flavor, so I use its leaves in green tea as well, and it gives a really pleasant smell to the tea that I regularly take. It was sold to me as a green cardamom plant, but let me tell you that I've just learned that this plant is not actually a green cardamom or an elaichi plant. Rather, it's a variant of that, a genetically engineered sort of a plant, which is different from the green cardamom, the actual green cardamom. I would show you that as well in the upcoming video. I would get one from the nursery and would show you what an actual green cardamom plant looks like. It is quite different than this one, and the fruit is also obviously different than the fruit which you can see on this plant. So I just want to make you aware that when you go to buy a green cardamom, please insist on buying the original one rather than this one. So insist on buying the genuine green cardamom. I'll be showing you that in a couple of days as well. I'll get one for you from the nursery to show you how a green cardamom, the real one, actually looks like. So this is just for your awareness, and let me tell you again that this is not a green cardamom. So that's all for this video. I'll be making more videos for you, as you can see in my garden there are various trees, and I'll be making videos on these as well. I have a little vineyard here, and you can see the grapes, they are hanging from the vines. So I'll be making a video on these as well. I just need a little bit support from you. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Stay blessed.